Racking, health and safety. My name is Jonathan Cunningham from Storm Consultancy. We're here on site in a large warehouse and I just want to go through racking safety. This is one of the greatest issues and greatest concerns and possible hazards facing your staff. You can see we're in a large warehouse storage area here at the moment, but the premature collapse of racking either due to a forklift truck or indeed other vehicle backing in is a very, very serious hazard. So how do you safeguard your staff? Well, first and foremost, make sure you've got suitable risk assessments for your racking. Make sure that the racking has been installed by a competent installer. Make sure that the racking itself is designed for what it was intended for in terms of the loading. You can see around here we've got some quite large loads, but it's all been signed off, and certainly having suitable signage so it's quite clear to those operators that are loading into the racking exactly what they're permitted to do. Make sure you've got suitable lighting as well, so that while you're manoeuvring, it's not just about racking safety but environmental safety. Make sure that there are sufficient locking pins. You can see these locking pins here. These are in everyone to make sure that when the forks lift, they don't lift the beam here and then the whole beam sort of comes out of its structure. Make sure you've got sufficient signage around the place, and that's just making sure that forklift trucks and other people that might be in and around are also looking after their own safety and also the safety of others in and around. Make sure the base plates and the feet are suitably protected. I just want to show you here. There is some base protection here, sort of on the corners particularly. The corners and ends are the areas of greatest vulnerability. So make sure they're suitably protected with good screwed in and bolted in foundation and feet protection. Make sure that the racking is subject to regular, certainly weekly, but regular independent inspection by a qualified racking inspector who will come in and they will map and record every single piece of stanchion and structure. So that's it, but also above all, that's all very well, but you must make sure your staff are suitably trained. They're familiar with the risks incurred and associated with racking, and they understand that the speed of forklift trucks is probably the reason why your racking may well prematurely collapse. So the forklift trucks themselves must be suitably rated, have good roll bar and overhead protection, so should that happen, hopefully those people inside will be protected. But we don't want racking collapsing. So please, if you want any more information, please get in touch with Storm, or indeed download the free racking safety guide just above here. Hope you're well, and this is Jonathan Cunningham from Storm.